What's up, mate?
What do you mean, what's up? What have you done? What have you done to my Vice?
I've had some fun with it.
Look at the mess you made. Again. You're
Well-
worse than my toddler.
This is the second time you've given me advice,
Yeah.
and the second time I've made a big mess.
You have. What have you been doing to it?
Now, I've been machining this part because
Right.
the guys here at MTDCNC have very, very kindly
Oh.
let me use this DN Solutions DVF-5000, and I needed to come up with a part to make, so why not make the logo?
You machined that from a billet and made that on that Vice.
I did. But don't forget as well, this wasn't machined upright, this was machined at 90 degrees. So milling all this top bit, all that
Very
pressure.
And you're
3 mil?
holding just on 3 mil?
Yeah.
With no stamper?
Nope.
Did you clamp it enough?
Well, I would have liked to have used a torque wrench, but there wasn't one available. So I
Right.
did give it the old heave-ho.
The scaffolding pole?
Exactly.
I thought so.
But I didn't essentially have to jump up and down on it. I just give it a nice little tweak, and
Right.
it never moved.
You do worry me. So, you're happy with the Vice?
I am. It's a really good Vice, and I didn't just use the Vice. I had the 60mm riser block.
Use the 60 because there's a 100 mil riser block we do as well.
No, I didn't know that,
Right.
because I could have done with that, but we'll talk about that later.
Okay.
And then the quick fix plate. But that's the biggest Vice you do.
Yep, that's the 125 jaw width Vice. We do a smaller version, which is an 80 mil jaw width Vice. But when you look at the two Vices together, you can clamp down from 3mm up to 300 on those Vices. You have to move the jaws around, but it's got the serrated edge. Yeah, it's amazing range.
It's a good Vice, and like you said, I didn't have the torque wrench to really give it as much, but I didn't need to.
No.
And that was a great thing. Because of the T formation, I didn't have to clamp it really hard. And you imagine, we've done
From billet straight to that.
we've done 3D roughing, we've done adaptive roughing, we've done high feed drilling, and the drilling was right at the very top part, so it was constantly, and it never moved.
Right, I'm glad you never told me, but very good. I'm very pleased. That Vice is at that state at the moment. For next year, we will be bringing out a Vice with a middle jaw, solid. So we're in for two-piece clamping.
And obviously that's going to give more people the opportunity to use the quick point system.
Yep.
Now, obviously you've given me this Vice, this is your brand new and your first step into 5-axis
Yes.
clamping, but what have customers had to say about this Vice once they've given it a go?
They've been very happy with it. We start this year, we did a show and we sold 5 sets of these Vices. When I say sets, that's the Vice, the quick fix base, to one order, just on the first show. We've sold quite a few. We've had very good feedback, as you have today. It's an amazing Vice.
It's been great fun. The machine's been great.
Yeah.
The guys here at MTDCNC have been really friendly, which they always are. And how would somebody who has watched this video or watched the previous video, because don't forget this is the second one in the series of Man vs Vice now.
Yes.
How would they get in contact with you if they want to know more about this Vice or even try one?
If they want to try one, if they want some information, just contacted us at Bison UK Limited.
Now, one thing I didn't tell you is, this isn't the only part I made.
Right,
I kind of made a couple.
right.
So you can have that as a present.
I thought you were going to take pictures.
Sorry, I'll clean it up next time.
Okay.
But just to finish off, I'm going to race you to the car park because there's no way I'm cleaning that machine.
Goodbye.